this is Dirk with Lifestyle Motorsports. We just got a new truck in from the auction, little bit of damage. Have not checked it out yet. This is the first time seeing it. Just brought it into the shop. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. See where the damage is at. Pretty good so far. Oh, and we got a bad door. Let's see, got a cracked mirror, to be expected. Busted up door. Looks like we got some roof damage. I was kind of expecting, but maybe not as bad as that. See if the door even opens here. Oh, door's still open, so we're good there. Powered running boards. Check out the Platinum interior. That's why I bought this truck. I loved the color of the inside, even though I'm not really a Ford guy, but it was good looking. I liked it. So we got a 2018 Ford F250 Platinum diesel out of Texas. This side looks pretty good so far. Until we get to the front end. Got another mirror damaged. We'll have to replace those with something much better. We had to throw a spare on just to get the truck off of the trailer. Looks like we got some bumper damage pushed in, headlight, and front edge of the hood here got it. Not too bad. I can see that the camber is sitting off, so we're gonna have some suspension damage to be expected as well. Overall, I'd say it's a pretty nice looking truck. The rim, I can say, is not so nice looking. That's the back half of it. And here's the front half. Just kind of hanging out in that tire. So we'll have to get some new wheels and tires for this thing. Like most of my vehicles, they all get different wheels and tires, but they discontinued these. Otherwise, I'd try to just get one if I could. I'm still gonna try to search. We'll go down that road here on the internet in a little while. See what kind of used wheels are out there. Man, this thing's even got panoramic roof, heated AC seats, and the button tells me it's got massaging seats even. Pretty nice truck.